Good morning, everyone. Oh, wow, of course, the second I start, someone Snapchats me. Today is Tuesday? Tuesday, yes, Tuesday. And I have off from work, and so does Mr. Sam. As you know from my last vlog, he's the guy that I went to the Wiz concert with, and it's really loud in my room right now. But I just took a shower, my hair's a mess, and my little bathing suit on, but we're going to the beach, and, I don't know, like, I'm excited because, I mean, I just went to the beach, like, a month ago, maybe like 3 weeks ago, but, I don't know, I figured I'd take this opportunity just to go down now because, well, just because I have off, and I'm like, I want to go somewhere on my day off. So yeah, hooray. So we're gonna go down there. I have to eat breakfast and then pick them up. Then we're driving down to LBI, I believe, that, or we're just gonna go back to Long Branch, so I don't know. And I'm back. So I'm gonna drive over to his house and then we're gonna go. I'm pretty sure we're still going to LBI. But if not, we're probably gonna go back to Long Branch. I don't know. But it's raining and that's fine because I just need some like cute pics of like houses and stuff, not houses, but like cute little landmarks and things, because I have a photography account. Let's see, oh god, he's like, should I bring a boogie board? I'm like, no. Like, for what? Like, I know it's like the beach, but like, I don't know, I feel like that's too much to carry around. Plus, if we find like a parking space that's like way too far out, then like we're just gonna have to lug that, plus our beach umbrella that I still have from last time, and like our towels that match, or like my towel kind of matches that. I don't know what he's bringing. Oh, my nose is so dry. But yeah, so I'm gonna go over there quick and then we'll be on our way.
Wow. I see how it is, because I'm an amateur, right?
Yes.
You're a professional?
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna sleep. She's so mean to me.
We're back. We're at, what is the state? Some
Well,
park.
it's Long Beach Island.
Long Beach
Renegade
Island.
Lighthouse.
It's pretty. Beautiful, right? But yeah, we're here and it's cold and it's slightly drizzling. I get it, I'm short. He likes to make fun of me because I'm small. But yeah, it's a beautiful place, and there are a lot of families out here actually, so that's nice. A lot of small beans.
Pickles.
Small pickles? Instead of small beans?
I like small pickles.
Small pickles. She's pretty. You knew I was gonna do that.
Wilderness. Explorers.
Explorers. We are explorers. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We're out here in the wild. Look, it's a wild Sam in its natural habitat. Ew, wait, it stops. We stopped for lunch. We got, what'd you get?
I'm out of water.
That and a buffalo chicken wrap from this cutesy place, and I got mozzarella caprese. What's new? It's so nice out here. We got this cool thing. It's, what is it?
Birthday latte.
Birthday latte. So fancy. And there's a guy performing here, but I'm not sure if I'm allowed to record him. But he sounds so nice. No one's as hype as me. He's content. The kids are as hype as me, and that's it. So we made it, but we just had a really bad encounter. Well, it wasn't bad, it was just stupid. Encounter with like the like bag check girls, because Sam has no cash.
I forgot to go to an ATM, alright? Sorry.
So we had to give them like coins and shit.
No,
And it was so bad. So we were off by like 20 something cents, but they were like, it's okay if you're short. And I was like, oh good.
I
Because
had
I
3
don't.
pennies.
Yeah, 3 pennies. I had like 10 and then a bunch of times and it was just bad. So ripperoo. But they were just really nice. So way too cold for me, so he's testing it. What? It's freezing? Freezing. Says he. Ew, don't slow mo. Ew. Hi guys. So we just went into the, what is it, Surf City 5 and 10 because I needed to get changed out of my dress. So I got this and shorts because it's raining and it's nasty and the bottom of my dress is like soaked and I didn't want to like sit in the car for another 3 hours with that. So yeah, no, but this place is so cute. It was so adorable and I love it. But yeah, what do you think of it?
Those guys, I got Germex.
This is my sanitizer that I've had for 3 months. Ew. But anyway, yeah, so we're off to get some shave ice because I saw it on the way here and he was like, let's get it. So I was like, we're getting it. So yeah, we're going to Pelican?
Yes, Pelican Snowball.
Pelican Snowball shave ice. What is cutesy toys? They're like such a long, yeah, over 100 flavors. It's so cute. How's yours?
Delicious. Oh my god.
What'd you get?
I'm Georgia peach.
Georgia.
Peach.
So he got that. I'm waiting for mine, which is called like Pog. I forgot what's in it. I'm like trying to read from like all the way over here.
Passion fruit.
Yeah. Passion fruit and something.
Oh, dude,
sorry.
I'm so sorry.
I hate my life. Here's my Pog. It's cool. What I say? Pineapple. Yay! Oh, they're so pretty together. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Pineapple, passion fruit, orange, guava. Yeah. Guava. That was cool. I still haven't tried it at home. That was a piece of. Ooh. It's really fruity. I like it. But you know, there it goes. Hello again. We're at, what is this?
Oh, it's Fantasy Island.
What?
Fantasy Island.
Fantasy Island. Looks so pretty. It's like this little kind of fair park little thing. It's adorable. But where are we going? Ferris wheel?
Yeah.
Ferris wheel.
Tickets, I think.
And it's raining still, but it's fine because now I'm all comfy and cozy, but I'm still finishing this bloody thing. So that's fun. But I'm excited. So hopefully I can get some like good shots from up there. I don't know. We just told me he's scared of heights. And we're going on Ferris wheel. How do you feel about this?
Not so good.
I can't believe
I'm
it.
like even looking in the camera.
No, you're not. But it's so funny. Because I feel bad. But I also want to go on this, and he suggested, so. He's legit so scared. I feel so bad.
Wobbling.
Because the people are getting on. He's terrified. The woman took my bag. She was like, we're going to put this in the shed. And I was like, the shed? And I was looking around, like, trying to see if there was, like, a little place. And she just, like, dumped it. She said on the in the shed. That's what I heard. Oh, and I was just like, sure. Like, I guess it's fine. So I was, like, kind of confused. But, yeah, we're good. We're good, and it's down there. You good? You checking your heart rate? What is it? What's it at?
Oh, it's still measuring.
Ooh, we're on top now. Look.
Holy shit. Why are we stopped?
He's so scared. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I can see everything. The bay is right there. It's so pretty. It's so nice here. And quiet and calm. I like it. Right as I get started. I'd want to live here. I think anyone would want to live here. It's really nice. Family friendly. Very family friendly. I like it. What does that say? And private property, no trespassing. That's over there though, not here. Here is fine.
So my hair looks like a mess.
Oh my god. There's a little family over there doing a, oh, what's the word? What's that called? Like a, not parasail, just like a little sail. Is that a parasail? Is the, yeah. I don't know, I'm not gonna show them, but it's a, it's like a tiny boat. So, cute. And this is what happens in Run. His butt doesn't like hummus.